Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. One of the many things that we offer at 3D Auto Repair is fleet service. And some companies have large fleets, some companies have 2 or 3 vehicles. We are easily able to accommodate both setups. One of the things that you can count on from 3D Auto Repair not only is quality work, but a quick turnaround. Through our Napa Auto Care system, we are able to offer a nationwide warranty, which is up to 3 years and 36,000 miles on every repair. You can always know that there is a warranty that follows that vehicle wherever it ends up in case there is an issue after the fact that the vehicle has been repaired. We are a full service shop. We do offer everything from tire repairs up to major engine work, including engine swaps and anything that your vehicle may need. We can provide to most fleet companies is our customer service, the fact that you'll consistently be dealing with the same people on the phone, making sure that the vehicles are getting repaired in a timely fashion and at the best possible price. We would be happy to put together a plan to keep your fleet in its proper maintenance schedule. We know that having a vehicle in the shop is not convenient and it costs you productivity. We could offer a pickup and drop-off service depending on your fleet size and availability. One of the many benefits we can offer to a fleet is the fact that we have a lot of experience in diagnosing and determining problems in a fast and timely manner. So if you have a fleet, whether it be 2 cars or 200, and you're looking for a new place or you'd like to get an idea of what we could do for you, please feel free to give us a call. My name is Dan, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.